Welcome back. Today we're doing a real deep dive into digital ownership in crypto. We want to help you move past just, buying tokens.
Yeah.
Becoming a real owner with solid security.
Exactly. It's about building layers. We're focusing on that flow, starting with your exchange, the CEX,
Right.
then moving to a hot wallet like Metamask, and finally securing the bulk in a cold wallet, maybe something like a Keystone.
Okay, so layers. And the first big idea, the one we really need to nail down is, well, you hear, porta no en cofre. The door is not a safe.
That's the core of it. Your CEX, the exchange with KYC, it feels safe, but it's just the legal door in and out for your fiat money.
It's the on-ramp.
It's the on-ramp, yeah. But you don't hold the keys there, so you're exposed. Exchange hacks, regulatory issues.
Yeah.
It's not your vault.
So the discipline is entra, converte, say get in, swap your currency, get out, don't park your wealth there.
Precisely. It's purely transactional.
But even for transactions, security matters. Is just 2FA okay, or?
It's necessary, but not sufficient. Definitely activate 2FA, but you must also use the withdrawal allow list.
Ah, right. That limits where funds can even be sent.
Exactly. It's a huge barrier, even if someone somehow gets your login.
Okay, CEX is the legal doorway secured with 2FA and an allow list. Layer 1 done. Layer 2, Metamask, the hot wallet.
Yep, your operational room, great for using dApps, signing things quickly. It's agile.
But agile means risk, right?
High risk, high exposure. Think malware, phishing scams, even just clicking the wrong button. Human error is big here.
So you wouldn't keep everything in Metamask.
Absolutely not. Keep only what you need for, say, daily or weekly operations, maybe a small buffer. The real key here, your seed phrase.
Got to keep it offline.
Totally offline. Paper, or better yet, metal, stored securely, maybe even in separate locations. Don't ever put it on a connected device.
Makes sense. And for operating day-to-day in this hotter environment, what's the basic toolkit look like?
Good question. Usually you'll want some USDT for stable liquidity, just easy to move value around. And you'll need the network's native token for gas, for fuel. On Apertum, that's APTM.
Right, APTM pays for the transactions on Apertum, like ETH on Ethereum.
Exactly. And speaking of different networks, you often need wrapped tokens.
The technical Visa idea, like WETH or WUSDT.
Yeah, it's just a way to take a token from one blockchain like Ethereum, lock it up, and issue a representative version on another chain like Apertum, so it's compatible. Lets you use familiar assets across different ecosystems.
Got it. Okay, that brings us to layer 3, the real vault, the cold wallet like Keystone.
This is where the serious capital goes. Your long-term holdings, valuable NFTs, it's air-gapped completely offline.
How does it talk to the network then?
Only via QR codes, typically. Minimal attack surface, you sign transactions offline, then maybe use a companion app on your phone just to broadcast the signed transaction. The keys never touch the internet.
So the flow is CEX for fiat, Metamask for operations, and then drain excess funds from Metamask.
In small, verified batches.
To the Keystone, okay? And the rule is, o que não precisas hoje, which you don't need today.
Sleep safe in the cold vault.
Let's talk hygiene. You mentioned verifying networks. The source stresses chain ID 2786 for Apertum. Why is that specific number so vital?
Every blockchain has a unique chain ID. 2786 is Apertum's identifier. Before you sign any transaction, especially sending funds, you double-check that ID in your wallet. Like Metamask, it confirms you're actually interacting with the right network.
Because sending to the wrong chain is bad.
Usually it's gone forever. Unless, by some miracle, you own the exact same keys on the destination chain, the funds are lost. So, yeah, prevention by checking the chain ID is everything.
Okay, that naturally leads to the owner's playbook. What happens when things go wrong scenario. I think my Metamask seed phrase might be compromised.
Don't hesitate. Immediately create a brand new wallet, new seed phrase, then migrate everything from the potentially compromised wallet to the new one, now.
But if I see a dodgy transaction pending from my hot wallet?
Action stations. Immediately send all remaining funds from that hot wallet directly to your cold wallet address. Drain it before the attacker can.
It really hammers home that mantra. Quem controla a seed controla o jogo. Whoever controls the seed phrase controls the assets.
That's the bottom line. These layers, the discipline, it's all about maintaining control of those keys, especially your cold storage seed. CEX is the door, Metamask is for work, Keystone is the vault. That's how you achieve some peace of mind, even when the market's going wild.
All right, to make this real for everyone listening, let's do the 15-minute drill, a practical takeaway.
Good idea.
Okay, right after this, if you can, go to your CEX, activate 2FA if you haven't. Crucially, set up that withdrawal allow list.
Next, if you have a cold wallet like Keystone, Get that seed phrase stamped into metal if possible. Store those copies securely and separately.
And finally, open Metamask. Add the Apertum network as a custom RPC. Double, triple check you entered chain ID 2786 correctly. Turn this knowledge into your standard operating procedure.
Layers, verification, seed control. That's how you move from being just a crypto tourist to a true owner. Take control today.